Making homemade pizza is a fun and delicious activity that you can do with your family or friends. Here is a simple recipe to make homemade pizza. Ingredients: pizza dough, you can make your own or buy pre-made dough. Pizza sauce, you can make your own or use store-bought sauce. Mozzarella cheese, shredded. Toppings of your choice, such as pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, peppers, etc. Flour, for dusting. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. 2. Roll out the pizza dough on a floured surface until it is the desired size and thickness. 2. If you are using pre-made dough, let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes before rolling it out. 3. Transfer the dough to a pizza pan or baking sheet. 4. Spread pizza sauce over the dough, leaving about 1/2 inch (1.25 centimeters) of space around the edge. 5. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. 6. Add your desired toppings on top of the cheese. 7. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 8. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.